Hi, I'm Emily Abraham. Welcome back to Love Luxury's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning products for your luxury leather goods. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So basically here at Love Luxury, we tend to specialise in three main brands of leather goods, and those are Hermès, Chanel and Louis Vuitton. And in those brands there are many different leathers. We can't focus on all of them in one video, but I'm going to do my best to give you a rough overview of the products that we use and what leathers we use them on. So the first product I'm going to be talking to you about today is this one right here. Now this one is called Oakwood and it's a glycerine leather cleaner. It's not conditioner, it's a leather cleaner. Now this is very good for Louis Vuitton and the Monogram and Damier canvas products, also their epi leather, but it works very well on Chanel caviar and on Epsom leathers. This is a great product if you feel that your bag is a little bit grubby. You would squirt this onto a microfiber cloth, rub it on so you get a little bit of a lather, and then you would very gently clean the areas that need to be cleaned. However, on every single item that you use any of these products on, you need to spot check first. So the way that I spot check is I get a cotton bud, an ear cotton bud, I spray it directly onto the end of the cotton bud, I squeeze out the excess and I use a tiny little spot in the corner to make sure that this product is compatible. This product will strip oils from leather. So if the finish of the bag is smooth or soft or is more natural rather than a highly finished product like the caviar or the Epsom or the Epi and then the Monogram and Aben or Damiers, you will strip the leather, and once you strip the leather then you have to go through a whole new process of then re-putting the condition back into leather. You don't want to do that. This product is specifically a glycerine cleaning product, and I would only use this product on the leathers that I've mentioned, and that would be the caviar, just to reiterate, Chanel caviar, the Hermès Epsom, the Louis Vuitton Monogram and Damier, and also Epi leathers. They are all products that have a finish to them, so this is very good if you feel that your product has a finish on it. Don't forget to patch test. Now the next product that I'm going to show you is this one, and this is Colonel, and this is an organic cream. Now I ordered this and it came all the way to us on eBay from Poland, so it took about 2 to 3 weeks to get here, and I ordered multiple of them because they only come in quite small bottles. I wish I hadn't now, because this one bottle has lasted us over a year. This is a product that you use very sparsely. So I'm going to show you how much product you would use on a cotton pad. So I use these cotton pads, you can use smaller ones, it's not a problem. And because this is quite old, the end is a bit gunky. So I now take the lid off, I tip it upside down, I scrape off the excess, and then this is the amount that I use each time I'm applying to the cotton pad. It's a very, very small amount. Now I have that on there, I'm going to manipulate it on the cotton pad, and I can feel that it's damp, and then this gets wrapped around my finger, and in very small circular motions, I'll do it on my skin. That is how I would spot clean and clean the leather goods that are lambskin, Swift, or even box calf. Now I surprised myself on that last one. I did a patch test on a vintage box calf that we had come in, and it had a couple of little spots on it that needed cleaning, and I was very, very apprehensive about cleaning it because box calf is such a delicate and highly expensive leather that Hermes produce. So what I wanted to do was just check it out and see if I could do anything, and it worked so well. But please remember that when you're applying this product, you need the tiniest bit at a time. And if you're going to use it on smooth leathers, I would suggest that on a small area you apply it. You will see that it may sit on the surface. You can put your hand over, and the warmth of your hand will make the product soak into the leather skin, and it will absorb, and then you will have your beautifully conditioned finish. And a very good friend of mine who does renovations actually taught me that, so thank you, Pei. And she basically was the one who showed me about this particular product, and it's been invaluable here at Love Luxury. So thanks again, Pei, for that little tip, and I'm so happy that I can share that with everybody else as well. So like I said, this product came from Poland, and I think from memory I bought it on eBay, and it cost about £12 a bottle, but that £12 has lasted us a very long time here at Love Luxury. We try not to touch things up or do anything to them, but if a bag comes in and it's pre-loved and it does need a clean, then sometimes we do have to get the cleaning products out. Not very often, but we do. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So the next product that I'm going to be showing you are these Lexol Equine Quick Wipes. Now these quick wipes are leather conditioning wipes. They come to you like little cloths that have product on them. Now as you can see, this one has been used and we've put it back because you can reuse these wipes, and if you put them back into the packaging they stay moist. However, what I would say is that when you're using these wipes, try not to have them super wet, because if they are too wet you're going to end up damaging the leather because there's too much oily product on them. These wipes are very good for Togo and Clemence products. So if you have an Hermes Birkin or Kelly that's Togo or Clemence or any other product, these are very good. Again, please make sure you spot check, and when you're using them, I literally put it into a little ball like it is in my hands now, and I very gently surface wipe and clean the leather. I don't ever scrub, and I don't ever do a whole big wipe. It's always very small measured movements. It does take you longer, but the more time you take, the better the results are going to be. And with these products, these are great for if you're trying to clean your bag. You wouldn't use these products on a bag that doesn't need it. So just remember that if your bag looks clean, it hasn't got any scratches or marks on it, then you wouldn't need to use any of the products that I've talked about today. But if you do find that your bag is looking a little bit tired and grubby, then these are very good products that will help you. So I'll just show you these ones again. So these ones I bought from Amazon, and I believe they cost me about £6 for a pack. I can't remember exactly. I bought them quite a while ago. Again, all of the products that I buy last a really long time. When we're in business, we have these items coming in really regularly. So don't overdo it. There's no need. Everything you do with these expensive luxury leather goods, you need to make sure that you're doing a little bit. It's less is definitely more when it comes to cleaning your leather goods. So finally, the last product that we use here at Love Luxury that I particularly like is again another Lexol product, and this time it's Leather Tack Conditioner. Now this one becomes very foamy, and I would suggest only using a very tiny bit of this, again on a cotton pad, and massaging in as I did with the earlier leather product, the Colonel. And then this I would only use for spot cleaning. So if, for example, you've spilt something on an Epsom bag or a Togo bag, and I don't know, a bit of ice cream's got on there, or it's the drink from a night out, as long as it hasn't dyed the leather, you should be able to clean it off with this. Again, this product can strip the moisture out of leather, so you do need to be careful when you're using this one. Everything you have to err on the side of caution. Patch test an inconspicuous area either inside the bag, if it's the same leather inside the bag, or just on a small bottom corner close to the feet where nobody's going to see it, and just see how it dries. So you want to put it on, see how it dries, and if it dries and it hasn't altered the colour of the leather or stripped any of the colour from the leather or stripped the shine from the leather or the condition, then you know that you're good to go, and you can use it very carefully on the areas that need spot cleaning in very measured, controlled movements. So I'm going to talk about another type of leather that we haven't already discussed on this video, and that is exotic skins. Now here at Love Luxury, the main exotic skin that we have come in is crocodile or alligator, and these skins you would assume are skins that can be cleaned. I have to give you a very stark warning: do not ever put anything on any exotic skin. You are only going to totally damage the product. It's happened many times where people have bought bags into us and they've thought that they can give it a small wipe over with a wet wipe or something like that. What you don't know is that you're actually damaging the leather to a point where it's irreparably damaged. Hermes do not clean crocodile skins. It's not something that can be cleaned. Crocodile and alligator and ostrich aren't leathers that can be cleaned. They have to be really carefully looked after. If you don't really carefully look after them, you're going to ruin them. One drop of rain can absolutely ruin a crocodile or alligator bag. And I know it sounds insane because crocodiles and alligators are water-bound creatures, and you would think, well, if they live in water or they live near water, why can't they, get water on their skin? The problem is once it's treated and you've got that shiny finish or that matte finish, you cannot literally get anything on them, and if you do, you're going to ruin the leather. It is very important, if you carry any exotic skins and it starts raining or it snows or someone spills a drink, you've got to get that item out of there as soon as possible. Thank you so much for joining us and watching this video about how to clean your luxury leather goods. We hope that you found something informative. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.